Are you drowning in marketing tools and subscriptions? What if one platform could replace them all? Hey, I'm Stacia Kennedy, and in this video, I'll show you how GoHighLevel can save you over $10,000 a year while boosting your conversions by 37%. Here's what we're going to cover today: what GoHighLevel actually is in plain English, and the 3 essential features that you need to master first that most people overlook, and how to automate your lead follow-up so no lead gets left behind, and how to use this platform to secure the bag in 2025. So consider this: by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to replace all of your marketing tools with one platform that does everything better. Before we dive in, I want to actually acknowledge something. When you first look at this any new platform, it can feel really overwhelming. But the truth is, you don't need to master everything all at once. I know you may have been watching a lot of videos right now and you're feeling a little frustrated, juggling multiple tools and subscriptions. You're a smart business owner, and I know you want to work smarter, not harder. That's exactly why you're going to love what I'm going to show you. And let me tell you one more thing. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform that replaces your funnel builder, ClickFunnels, your email marketing like ActiveCampaign, your calendar tools like Calendly or Acuity or any of those other ones out there. That one I was paying maybe $15 a month, but it all adds up. Your CRM like HubSpot, your text messaging services, your website builder, and so much more. And check this out. Here's the dashboard where everything lives. Notice how clean and organized it is. Everything you need right here in the navigation. This is where you'll spend most of your time managing your entire business. The bottom line is this: you're going to get everything under one roof for one monthly fee. Now, here's the trick to setting up your account the right way. Have you ever spent hours setting up a tool and realized you missed a crucial step? That's what we're going to avoid right now. Start with your business information settings in the settings section. So you're going to also go to the settings at the bottom right left-hand corner. I'm going to show you here in a minute. Connect your Google account and your Stripe account because we want to get paid, right? And then also we're going to set up your phone number for text messaging. Here's how easy it is. Watch how quickly I can set up the business info. I'll click on settings down here and I'll go into enter my business name right here, your email, phone number, add your business logo right there. And I'll update and save that. We'll go down to integrations and we'll connect our Google account, our Facebook, Instagram, Stripe, so we can get paid, of course. See how simple that is? It just takes literally 5 minutes total, but save hours of headaches later. Probably already wondering, is it really that simple? Yes, it actually is. Now let's focus on 3 core features that will give you immediate results. There are dozens of features in GoHighLevel, but these 3 will give you 80% of the results. Number 1, conversations. This is your unified inbox for all client communications. Instagram, Facebook, email, text messages, all in one place. Here's the conversation inbox. Notice how all your communications are in one place: emails, text messages, Facebook messages, Instagram, everything. And you'll also see a notification icon at the top here as well. And you can respond without switching platforms. This alone saves me hours every day. Workflows, the automation engine that works while you sleep. Now let's go to workflows, automations and workflows. This is where the magic happens. So let me show you how simple this workflow is. Right now, actually, they're in the system and they get to a part where they're in the nurture sequence. So they actually get tagged. They are automatically sent an email and follow-up text messages. No manual work required. I've literally set this up once and it's been running for months, generating leads and conversions while I sleep. Sites, build landing pages and funnels in minutes. Creating landing pages are ridiculously simple. We're going to go to sites and I'm going to create a new funnel. You can literally see all the templates here. You can look at this is just one click. You can use AI to create a funnel. which I have another video on. You just literally put who you're targeting, what the business industry is, and create a funnel. Or you can click here and start from a template. Literally just in clicks, you can customize and publish. Watch how quickly I can change a headline and swap an image. You can literally just pull in any of these. Like this is actually a really cute like coaching funnel right here that I like. So I can click on this. I can preview and see what it looks like. I can click continue. I can go in here and I'll show you how fast and easy it is to like literally change out a photo and change out text. I'll have to do a longer tutorial on just how to create lead like funnels itself, but it's super easy. Like this is a template. You can click on this picture, you come over here on the right hand side, click on the photo, and this is actually an unsplash photo, which you can go into the search media here and search for a photo of an image of a woman, or you can upload your own photos, of course. Let me see here. I have a photo of myself here somewhere. Or we can just put in a picture. Let me see. Let me type in Stacia. I might have a photo already in here. I'm not typing it, upload a photo. Stacia. Let's quickly grab a picture here. Upload. And there we go. Change that out. Bam. Look at that. Amazing. Should probably use this one for my website. Change out the text. I help entrepreneurs systemize their business. And there you go. Change out the logo. It's super easy. Save and publish. This used to take me hours with other platforms, and now it's literally done. Of course, I can change out more stuff, but you can literally have it done in minutes. If you do the funnel AI, it's literally done for you. With that said, mastering just these 3 features will put you ahead of 90% of marketers. Here's why this matters to you. The business that responds fastest to the leads win. If you just learned how to set up one simple workflow, it would be worth the entire platform cost. And I'm about to show you how to do that exactly. So let me show you a simple workflow. When someone fills out a form, it automatically tags them. Let me go into create workflow. I'll just start a new one to show you how it works. You can rename the workflow here, and the start of the trigger of the workflow would be like a form. And the form is submitted. When the form is submitted, we'll pick the form here and save the trigger. When someone fills out that form, it's going to start this trigger. And it'll automatically tag them. So I'll do a tag and we'll type in like new lead, new client, new lead. Let's see, it'll automatically tag it as new lead, save action. And we can send them an email right away. So the first thing they get is an email or a text message or both. So type an email. You can write in the email here. Of course, type in your name and your first name and the email itself that you're sending. I'll just write test, subject line test. You can also use custom values to bring in the actual name, your full name and your email, or the name on the account. So you can go to account, has your business name or location name and your main email here. And here's the biggest difference: contact and user. Contact is your prospect, user is yourself or someone on your team. And that was a huge distinction when I first started. And then text message, you can type in SMS and send a text. Of course, you have to set up your text first, but you also want to keep it under 160 characters too. There's a lot more to that. And you can wait, put a wait step, wait 1 day, wait 5 minutes, day, and then send them another email and so on. You can create the lead nurture from there. So there you have it. No manual work required. I literally set this up once and it'll be running for months, generating leads while I sleep. Every time someone fills out a form, you're automatically going to be able to follow up with this lead nurture sequence. And of course, in the emails, you'll want to have things like book a call and so on. Understand this. Once you set this up, it works 24/7, following up with your leads even while you sleep. The mobile app. It's a game changer for most people, and most people miss this. Let me tell you a quick story. Last month, I was at my daughter's singing rehearsal when I got a notification about a new lead. Instead of rushing home to my computer, I opened the Lead Connector app and saw their information and called them after the event. I closed a $5,000 deal before the event was over. Now, let me show you how this works. The mobile app is a game changer. Here's my dashboard showing today's leads and appointments. I can tap into any conversation, respond immediately. I can click on the lightning bolt and send an email, add a new contact. I can actually scan someone's business card and book an appointment or request someone to review or create an invoice so I can get the bag, right? Or make a phone call and text message someone right away, right within the mobile app. I can get notifications. I can call them with one tap. So this is how I close deals even when I'm not at my desk. Here's the key to remember. Business happens everywhere, not just at your desk. Now, here's how to use GoHighLevel to secure the bag in 2025. First, use it to grow your own business by consolidating all the tools and automating your follow up. Like I always tell people, you got to be the product of the product. But check this out. If you're an agency owner or consultant, you can white label GoHighLevel and resell it to your clients. So on the Agency Pro plan, you can add your own branding, set your own pricing, create unlimited client accounts. And here's the math. Your cost, $497 a month, 10 clients that pay you at $297 a month. Where are we at? $2,970. Your profit, $2,743 a month, or $29,676 a year. Going back through my taxes, I barely made that. The bottom line is this: you're not just getting a tool, you're getting a business opportunity. Let's recap what we've covered. GoHighLevel replaces multiple marketing tools, saves you $10,000 a year at least per year. You're going to want to focus on mastering conversations, workflows, and sites first. Use automations to follow up with leads automatically. Leverage the mobile app to close deals anywhere. Consider white labeling to create recurring revenue. When you implement these strategies, you'll not only transform your own business, but you'll be able to help other businesses do the same. Remember, don't stack tools, stack profits. Click the link in the description for a 30-day free trial. And when you sign up with my link, I'll give you all of my private templates, weekly Q&A calls. Comment below which feature you're most excited about trying first. Much love and aloha, and we'll see you on the next video.